Hey guys, so I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and recently a new feature has been added after the OneUI 5 update. That is, we can now transfer the data of the watch to a new phone. So this feature can add a lot of things in the watch, like we don't need to reset our watch whenever we will be switching the phone. And also we can track the data on this watch via multiple phones of our choice. So in this video we will see how we can transfer the data from this watch to another phone and how this feature works. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to sales, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, this watch is a great watch. As you can see, a lot of things has changed after the update. Even the way we control the brightness in the watch has changed. So the UI has been redefined and a lot of things are in the vertical format. As you can see, if I just click and hold and go to the new watch face, you will be able to see that every single watch face is in the vertical format, and same will be with the tiles. This new improved UI is really good. There are certain things which are added like the Samsung Pay, which is working really good on the watch, along with some of the new apps like the device care, which will detect any of the issues in the watch directly. And with that, also a new feature has been added with which you can transfer the data of the watch to another phone. So let's see how we can transfer the data. So first thing first, we need to come to the settings, and in here you need to go to accounts and backup. So in the accounts and backup, we'll find this option transfer watch to new phone. After I click this, you will be getting a message which will say the Google account on the watch and new phone must match. So there is a catch in here. If you are looking to transfer the data, the Google account on your phone and on the watch should match, and definitely also if you are signed into your Samsung account, that account will also be used in watch as well. So same account should be logged in into the new phone where the data will be transferred. And also at the same time, this is really important to know, once you transfer the data from one phone to another, you will not be able to transfer it back without resetting the watch. So let's see now whether this is working or not. I have two phones and the Galaxy Watch is configured in this phone first, and now I will be transferring the data from this phone to another phone. As you can see, I have already connected my watch with this phone. Let's now transfer it to another phone and see whether this is working or not. So first of all, to do this, I will come to watch settings, and after that I need to scroll down and come to general options. So in the general option, if you scroll down, you will get this option, transfer watch to new phone. I will click on that, and here again the message it is displaying. So let's click on transfer watch to new phone, and here it is showing that if you see your watch on the new phone, tap connect. You can also connect in the Galaxy Wearable app on Bluetooth settings. When your watch connects to your new phone, it will be paired from this phone. Only it can be connected to one phone. That is what it is trying to say. So here I have opened the Galaxy Wearable app and I will click on continue, and let's see where it is able to scan the device here. So it is scanning the device, and once it scans, I will just click on connect. So finally you can see it has detected the device, that is Galaxy Watch 4. And if I come to watch, you will also be able to see it is showing starting transfer. And here the Galaxy Watch 4, it is written, and a pop-up will appear on your new phone to help you connect. If the pop-up does not appear, try connecting to this watch in your new phone's Bluetooth settings. So what it is telling is a pop-up will come in the new phone, and if the pop-up is not coming, then you can go to Bluetooth settings and pair it separately so that the pop-up should come. I will just click on this Galaxy Watch 4, and once I click on this, you will see that it is showing to check the number on the watch. So you can see there is a pairing request. I will click on allow access and click on pair. And once I click on pair, you will be able to see that it is ready to connect with the new watch. Also, you need to click on this tick sign on your watch. And now it is asking for the permissions that are required to connect your watch with the Galaxy Wear app. So I need to just sign into the Samsung account to verify. I will click on sign in and wait for some time so that I will be able to configure the watch in this phone. So I have already signed in before. It is just asking for a confirmation, and I will click on continue, and obviously it will take some time to configure the Galaxy Watch with this new phone. So here is a message which is showing for your review. I need to accept all the things and I will click on continue, and again it is asking for some of the permissions, and I just need to click on agree and wait for some time. And once it is done, you can see a new animation is popping up now. This animation is new after the update, and this animation is a lot better than the previous one. But let's see how fast the watch is getting configured this time, because previously it took a lot of time to configure the watch for the first time. So let's see what is showing in the old phone where my Galaxy Watch was configured previously. So you can see that it has got disconnected from this device and it is again scanning the device to add. Definitely I'm not going to add it again onto this device, because if I add it again I need to reset the watch and then add it again onto this phone. Let's wait for some time so that the watch gets configured with the phone, and once it is done I will show you whether it is working or not. So finally the watch is configured with the new phone, and you can see it is asking me to give the permission for automatic update. I will click on continue, and here it is showing the amount of battery and everything which is left on the watch. And in the watch also it is asking for some of the permissions, and I will just check whether all the apps are there which are there in this watch previously. I have in this watch the Spotify, WhatsApp and other apps. So if I just open the app drawer, and you can see all the apps are there and they are working really well. So you can see the Spotify is working perfectly fine and the app is already installed here. So definitely I can listen to music right now, and I don't need to reconfigure the watch after I have changed my phone with which it has been connected previously. Let's see whether the step count and everything is there also. So what I will do, I will just go to my Samsung Health and will check whether the Samsung Health is detecting every little step count and other things on the watch. There you can see, yes, it has got all the data which was there. So all the data is present on the watch and transferred to the phone also, which is really great. This is a really good feature that Samsung has introduced in this update, and you don't need to reset your watch to transfer it from one phone to another. And definitely you will also get all the data or configurations and features which was there and configured with your old phone. So definitely this is a useful feature, and I wanted to show you the process of doing this. That's it guys. I just hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys. Have a great day. Thank you.